In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete contacts in GetResponse. Keeping your contact lists clean and organized is essential for accurate reporting, better deliverability, and a smoother email marketing workflow. I'll walk you through the exact path in the interface and explain what each deletion option really means, so you can make the right choice confidently. Start by opening your GetResponse account and heading to the main navigation. From there, go to Contacts, then select Lists. This is where all of your contact lists live, and it's the central place to manage who stays and who goes. Click into the specific list you want to manage. Taking a moment to double check that you're in the correct list can save you from removing the wrong contacts later. Inside that list, look for the Action menu, which appears as a three-dot icon. This menu is your control center for list actions. Click it and you'll see two relevant options: Delete from List and Delete from Account. These may look similar, but they have very different outcomes. Choose Delete from List if you only want to remove the contacts from this single list while keeping them available elsewhere in your account. This is perfect if a contact no longer fits a particular campaign or segment, but still belongs in your broader audience. It's a tidy way to declutter without losing useful relationships across other lists. Choose Delete from Account if you're certain you want the contacts gone entirely from your GetResponse account. This is a more permanent decision because it removes them from all lists and all future campaigns under this account. It's useful for clearing out outdated or invalid entries, but proceed carefully. When you click this, you'll typically see a confirmation prompt. Read it closely, ensuring you understand that the removal is comprehensive and in many cases cannot be undone. A quick tip before you finalize your choice: if you're on the fence, consider taking note of the contacts or exporting them first for your records. That way, if you change your mind later, you have a reference outside the platform. Also, be mindful of compliance and consent. If someone has opted out, keeping them deleted from your account helps you honor their preferences and maintain a clean sender reputation. Once you confirm the deletion choice that fits your goal, the changes will apply and your list will reflect the updated contact count. That's all it takes. By navigating to Contacts, opening Lists, selecting the right list, and using the three-dot Action menu to pick Delete from List or Delete from Account, you'll keep your database accurate and your campaigns running smoothly.